commerce. I like to point out the flag, its yellow glory, the Texas Lone Star, and its third flag is the city of San Antonio's flag, it's blue and red, with the big white Lone Star, and the Alamo, the center of the star.
I just told the pop pack. When you say, why do ducks have tails? Right, they're
Yeah, but we're never going to remember what he said.
Straight in front of us are some really big flowers.
what do you call it?
They're going to be up on our
Cow
right.
with no legs.
Yeah, maybe.
These are called Blue. They're a new art installation. So they're partially made from old bicycle parts.
That's kind of what I want to do.
What? No
This part of the
legs?
Riverwalk is completely man-made. No extraterrestrials took part in its construction, which was for the 1968 World's Fair. It connects the convention center and Hemisphere Park to the rest of the river. If you look way up on the right, between the gap of the trees, you'll see the centerpiece of the World's Fair. That's the Tower of the Americas, way up on our right. At the time of its construction, the Tower of the Americas was the tallest observation tower in the United States. It's a restaurant that rotates every hour. And if any of y'all are looking for a challenge, the record time to climb the 952 stairs is 5 minutes, 18 seconds. I recommend taking the elevator. You'll know what you win if you beat the record. A trip to the hospital.
Free of charge?
That'd be so cool. Like, you should live in the city.
If y'all miss the tower, it'll be coming up again on the right after these trees.
Antonio.
You should be able to walk on this river.
You want to see my duck impression? All right, here it is. 1, 2, 3. I've learned that the hard way. We're going to wait a moment for a parking spot.
That's why you're waiting, wearing a hat?
Huh?
That's why you're wearing a hat?
That's why I'm wearing a hat to cover up the scar. As we wait to dock, I want to let you all know that tips are allowed, accepted, and very much appreciated. I'm going to leave this tip jar here in the helm. We really appreciate your generosity. That's QR codes, Cash App, whatever it's called. Next, I'd like to ask that you please check around, make sure you take off all the items that you brought on board. We do have a lost and found in our ticket office, but I want to save y'all the trouble. So please, take all your valuables and your children with you. Finally, I'd like to ask that you please remain seated until I tie down the boat. I'll let you know when it's safe to stand up and disembark as soon as I tie her down. I want to thank you all so much for coming out. I hope you enjoyed this little cruise.
De hacer el recorrido.
Rest of your
Wow.
afternoon. San Antonio Riverwalk. Thanks, y'all.
Ya llegamos.